This review is of Indofood Rendang. This is a traditional food from Indonesia that I believe is recognized by the UN as being a traditional Indonesian food. Specifically, this comes from the island of Sumatra, and maybe from the Padang ethnic area, but I forget for sure. This has got well, in Indonesian it says Bumbu Instan, which means instant spices or instant seasoning mix, and it's got coconut in here. Well, if you make it from scratch, there are a lot of ingredients that you need, including coconut milk or cream, and a whole slew of different spices, some of which are not easy to find in this country. This is a product of Indonesia, and not the best brand for making rendang, but still, it is pretty tasty. You do have to cook it for several hours to allow the meat to get very soft, and also to reduce the I guess you call it gravy or sauce enough that it has a proper flavor. This is supposed to be a fairly strongly flavored food, although it's not necessarily going to be spicy. Here are the nutrition facts and ingredients. And I don't recommend the Javanese version of this, because the Javanese version is a lot sweeter and a lot less tasty. In fact, I found it rather insulting when I had it. And I told the vendor, this is not rendang. Which broke that vendor's heart, but they'll have to stop serving that. It was offensive. It was primarily because the Javanese are a little bit too interested in sweets, especially when you get near like Yogyakarta. Anyways, it's been cooking. It cooked for several hours last night. I've heated it up again this morning. Tried the meat. It's already soft enough. I'm just making sure that it's going to be safe to eat later. We're going to a potluck party. Hold on while I get some to sample.